What's good everybody, it's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys not one, but two unboxings courtesy of the great people from Under Armour Canada. So even if you guys read the title of my video, I'm pretty sure you guys have a good idea of what's going to be inside. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. So first off, we got the Curry 5s in the Championship Drive or Champ Pack colorway. These, I gotta say, are absolutely beautiful in hand. They drop on June 1st alongside a black colorway for $130 US or 160 Canadian dollars. And I'm gonna tell you right now, both that black colorway and this one sold out pretty much right away. This shoe Steph Curry wore during the NBA Finals, and specifically during Game 4 when he clinched his third NBA title. So because I've already done detailed reviews of the Curry 5 with the Pi Day colorway and the Welcome Home colorway, I'll add the link to those videos in the description box below. As for this one though, honestly, as I said before, this is a beautiful colorway. It's very simple and it's very clean, with the majority of the shoe being white, with accents of gold, and then this translucent outsole just finishing it off. The second shoe that Under Armour sent me were these fired up Curry 5s. So these ones I believe only dropped a few days ago for the same price, so $130 US or 160 here in Canada. So whereas that one was very bright and very clean, this one in comparison is extremely bold. So pretty much the entire shoe is done in red. We have some small accents of black, and then turning it over to the bottom, we have this light gray outsole. If you guys are looking for a colorway that's going to stand out a lot more, or if red and black is just your thing, then this is definitely a great choice. Under Armour Canada sent me both of these in a size 10.5, which is my normal basketball sneaker size. These do, however, run more on the slim side, so if you guys have wider feet, then you probably want to go up a half size from what you normally wear. So enough talk, let's put these both on feet and show you guys how they look. All in all, Under Armour and the Curry line specifically keeps delivering. These are two more dope colorways to add to the collection, and I want to know what you guys think between the two. Which one is your favorite? Do you guys prefer the simplicity and the more clean look of the Championship Drive colorway, or do you guys like the loud, bold colorway on this fired up edition? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram as well at esco8, and be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. Before I close out this video, a huge thank you goes out to Under Armour Canada for hooking me up with both of these pairs. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.